what came in the mail? Another YouTube channel sticker exchange from Ratty Goat Garage. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Cool. All right, let's look at these stickers. There's one type there. There's a different one. Go work on your junk. I need to take that advice, huh? There's another one. And then yet another one. Oh, that's pretty cool. Make sure you subscribe. I'll run a couple of clips of his channel so you can see what he's all about. Pretty neat.
What's up, guys? We're back again. Working on this thing. Last video, we got the core support and the nose kind of sort of on there. It still needs some adjustment. But I need to, this is the valance that came off of that car, actually. It is dented in real bad right there and kind of like dented real bad right there. So we're going to do some very technical, professional body work here. Perfect, almost. Not quite. Needs some persuasion. So we're just gonna get right in to the butchery today. Or whatever, but anyway, I'm gonna keep checking the car over real quick and making sure that, you know, we'll be able to make it. That would be bad being the closest show to us and having a problem after all these shows that we go to that are far away. That would be kind of embarrassing. So I do want to kind of give it a quick once over, and then we'll be back when we get to the cruising tonight. And my old heap